Children, welcome back. Already we have learned some part of the lesson VVS Lakshman very special. Now let's continue the remaining part. Sposter asks, do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? VVS Lakshman. Frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national reckoning. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. Here, nowadays, it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of media, because media plays a crucial role in bringing out the talents. The role of media has always been vital in boosting any activity of sports and promotes positive and inspiring role models and motivates people to take part and introducing new supporters. There are many platforms and opportunities for real talent to come good, and the Indian Premier League IPL is also one such. It supports the talented one. It supports the talented ones to get recognition. It is a professional 2020 cricket league in India, representing 8 teams from 8 different cities. IPL is to create players internationally ready for challenges they will face while playing for India. IPL is good platform for younger players to prove themselves. With Next, from where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? VVS. My parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. And second, what were your biggest moments as a cricketer? There were many, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the number one team, being a member of the Indian team, which was the world number one in Test cricket, was one of them. The 281 against the Assis in Kolkata in 2001 was another. That remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, the Test series was very special for all the players. For it was also the best and the most memorable series. That series gave us the confidence that we can be the best. Clearly, that was the turning point of Indian cricket itself. With the support of his family members, well wishers, he drew strength to be number one in the Test cricket. His parents supported him all through his thick and thin times. He had many memorable events uh, in cricket. He was the member of the number one Test cricket team in the world. He scored 281 against the Australia in Kolkata in 2001. It was the most memorable match for Lakshmans as well as for India. The series gave him confidence that they could become the best in the world cricket. Even though he never played in the World Cup, he became an outstanding test batsman in the world. These are the biggest memorable moments to VVS Lakshman. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one side? It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in one year. It all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav, my first captain, Sachin and MS Dhoni. They all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. Here, Lakshman says the reasons for India becoming the number one side, it's not happened in 1 or 2 years. Since 2000, under the captaincy of Saurav Ganguly, it has been paving up to be number one. His first captain, Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni. These three captains, Saurav, Sachin, and Dhoni, have traits of leadership to make Indian team as number one. Sportstar. How different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? VBS. I must say that combination of Saurav and coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. For it was then that we started doing well consistently, especially abroad. And we had some amazingly talented individuals with the hunger for success who played with great pride, worked really hard, and showed great commitment levels. And what has been your funniest incident on the field? Well, with a big smile, when Saurav and I collided while taking a single in an oval ODA. It is still amusing and embarrassing when I look back as to how it could have happened. He feels proud to play under the captaincy of Saurav and coach John Wright. These two people were influential in coaching the mindset of India in cricket team, and his team has talented individuals with the traits of hard work and commitment. When Sportstar asked what was the funniest incident in his life, he said that when Saurav and VVS were trying to catch a ball in an ODI in bubble, both were collided. That moment makes him amusing and embarrassing with a laugh on his face. What was the most disappointing moment for you, PBS? There was nothing like that. But I would feel terribly disgusted whenever I dropped a catch. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and the chance is floor. That hurt me the most. What are your hobbies? I love to spend time with the members of my family. It gives so much of peace. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals, for they help us know how they handle different aspects in life and in sports. Here, he felt disappointed and disgusted whenever he dropped a catch and felt sorry for the bowler who put in great effort. And coming to his hobbies are spending with his family, reading biographies of successful persons. Those biographies makes him to handle different phases in life and career. And what are his hobbies? Hobbies are spending with his family and reading biographies of successful persons. You are a complete man now. Outside, you are a celebrity, and at home, a normal, caring father. VBS. I'm lucky to have such a wonderful, well knit family with a wonderful wife. And it's a great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. It's real joy to be with them. Who are the cricketers whom you admire? In my early days, Ajhar. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. Kapil was a great inspiration too. What is your favorite cuisine? I'm vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. Thai cuisines are my favorite. Here, he feels that he is lucky or fortunate to have such wonderful family and feels proud to see his children growing up. And spending with his family members makes him happy. In his early days, Ajharuddin was his favorite cricketer. Azharuddin was renowned as an elegant middle order batsman and captain of the Indian cricket team. His role model is Sachin Tendulkar. I need not say about Sachin. Everybody knows him. He is a former international cricketer from India and former captain of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket and highest scorer of all time in international cricket. And Kapil Dev was his inspiration. He was a former Indian cricketer, a fast bowler, and hard hitting middle order batsman, and regarded as the greatest all rounder to play the game. These three persons are favorite to VVS Lakshman. Ajaruddin was his childhood favorite cricketer, and Sachin Tendulkar is his role model, and Kapil Dev is his inspirational. He is strictly vegetarian and he is fond of Thai cuisine. Here, cuisine means a style or method of cooking, especially characteristics of particular country or region. He likes to taste all kinds of dishes, but he is fond of Thai cuisine very much. What kind of music do you normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers, and I love listening to Kishore Kumar and our own S.P. Balasubramanyam, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. Sportstar, which TV program do you love to watch? VVS. Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail. And with the family members, I do a watching the singing and dancing competition programs. I am amazed at the talent actually. He likes to listen to Kishore Kumar and S.P. Balasubramanyam. Kishore Kumar was a playback singer, actor, music director, writer, and producer. Because Sripati Pandita Balasubramanyam, S.P. Balasubramanyam is mostly referred to as S.P. Balu, is an Indian playback singer, music director, actor, dubbing artist, and film producer who works predominantly in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, and Malayalam. He has recorded over 40,000 songs in 16 Indian languages. India is fortunate to have so many great musicians and singers. Children, who are VVS Lakshman's favorite singers? Kishore Kumar and S.P. Balasubramanyam. And, and he likes to watch sporting events, Wimbledon, singing and dancing competitions, and he is amazed at their talent. Sposter asks, who was your childhood hero? Childhood and current hero. It is my dad. I owe everything to him. What is that you miss by being cricketing celebrity? I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. It is always nice to be with my family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. I have two wonderful kids and I am blessed to have such a family. Have you given thought to post retirement plans? He never thinks that he's a big cricketer. He's so humble. He's proud of having such affectionate family, and he likes to spend his time with his family members. He is happy with his wonderful kids and feels he's blessed to have such a wonderful family. And he has a dream that is to set up a school and academy for sports to encourage the talented for bringing up the young talents. He is confident that he will achieve his dream. Children, these are some of the facts about VVS Lakshman and his life journey. Lakshman's philosophy of life, as per the interview, he says that A should not come in the way of one's progress. He himself proved his philosophy by playing till the age of 37. Here, children, you can see glossary from the lesson VVS Lakshman, very, very special. And call it a day. It's an idiom. Decide to agree to stop doing something temporarily or permanently, on the verge of idiom, close to the point where something new begins, immensely, to a great extent or extremely, integral, essential, glare, a focus of public attention, reckoning, recognition or calculation, mindset, attitude or way of thinking, commitment, assurance or dedication, collide, crash, embarrassing, uncomfortable, cuisine, a style of cooking, food cooked in a certain style. These are the glossary words from the lesson. Now, here is an assignment. Here is a comprehension. Read the lines and answer the question. But the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. Now, answer to the question. Who is the speaker? Second one, what is the guiding philosophy taught by his parents? Third one, what was the profession of the speaker? Okay, children. Children, what did you understand from this lesson? From this lesson, we can see that one should dream big and put a lot of hard work, effort, and commitment to success their goal and stay humble all throughout their life. Okay, children, have a nice time. Let us meet again. Thank you.